Hey, happy Wednesday. This is your girl, the Eggplant Queen. You're cooking with the Eggplant Queen today. We are making, I said we, yes, I said we. I want you guys to try my recipes. Subscribe, share, comment below, and let me know what you did to make it your own. So I am making eggplant. Eggplant, yes. I am the Eggplant Queen. They don't call me the Eggplant Queen for no reason, okay? So I'm making Eggplant Queen. I said I'm making Eggplant Queen. Y'all know me. I'm gonna have a story time after I cook this too, because I'm off the chain. My mind just be. I'm gonna let you know. I'm a very eccentric type person. So anyway, I'm making a vegan eggplant chicken nugget style. Okay. So right here, I have flaxseed meal. This is the brand. You can see that. Red meal. Bob's Red Meal. Boom. Natural Groceries. Whole Foods. What's the other? All the health food stores. What's the other one? Sprouts. Walmart might have this. I'm not sure. I don't really shop at Walmart a lot, y'all. So I don't really know. It's in this bowl here. Okay. I got some Italian seasoning. I said Italian seasoning. Sorry. Italian style seasoning type breadcrumbs. I get all these. I get all these products. It's in this bowl right here. Okay. And I have this Miss Dash salt-free chicken grilling blends. It's like it's for seasoning your chicken, but we're gonna season eggplant with it, okay? I got my pink salt. I got my grapeseed oil. And of course, I got my baby, my love, the eggplant. Now, this is 1/4 cup of the flaxseed meal that's in here. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of this Miss Dash chicken seasoning inside of the flaxseed meal, because it has a really particular taste. So I'm just going to mix that in with that, okay? This right here, I'm going to add water to this. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. I'm sorry, 3 cups. Yeah, 1/3 cup of water in this mixture of flaxseed meal and Miss Dash chicken seasoning in here, okay? That's my egg substitute, okay? This is the Italian style breadcrumbs. I'm going to also add this to here. Miss Dash, okay? Now that I have my chicken nuggets battered, it's time for the oven. I mean, not oven, sorry. I'm going to put in this hot popping grapeseed oil, okay? Here we go. Ooh. Let me move this out the way. Hear it popping? Popping. Now they're complete. Let me show you one. An eggplant chicken nugget style. Vegan. Dip it in some barbecue sauce. And it's good to go.